What is it? You're bidding to own the property. You're bidding to own the property. We asked you about LA County, right? Riverside County, Kern County, San Bernardino County. You're buying what? The property at the auction. You're not buying the lien, you're buying the property. One person knew where the auction was being held. And the reason why, because she's one of my leaders. She's one of my leaders in my class. So she knows stuff. Most people don't know this at all. Remember, you're bidding to own the property. Here's some tax deed auctions. Bid on premium. $1,000, whoever pays the highest amount of money will win the property. Whoever pays the highest amount of money will win the property. So, let's talk about a couple of states. California. If you want, write us down. People know us as who? The tax sale master. Go on YouTube, add me on, go on TikTok, #1 in the country on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. People know me as the tax sale master because I'm obsessed with learning how to do the details and how to beat the hedge funds. That's the key. Because I can't beat them on money. Okay? I can't. But I can beat them other ways on this situation. Tax deeds. California. California's a tax deed auction. We just talked about LA counties had their tax deed auction. Every county is going to have an auction different times of the year in California. Whoever pays the highest amount of money will win the property. Whoever pays the highest amount of money will win the property. You're going to win it right now. Gardena, they just had the auction. LA County had an auction. When they know this, I talked to 10 people at the time I voted. I said, did you know you could have bought a vacant lot in Gardena, that you could build apartments there? The lot was like 16,000 lot size, and you could buy it for 200 grand. LA County could have done it. That is why the hedge funds are very successful, because they know where to go, and they know which property. Okay, and they know when a good deal happens, boom, they're there. Right? Because that's what's happened in the stock market, right? In a millisecond, they're up or down. Nevada tax deed state, same thing. Most of California auctions are online. Most of them are online, except one that's coming up. Is in person. Most of them are online. And they're going to be different areas. Could be on GovSE, could be on Bid for Assets, could be different websites. You as tax sale investors have to know this. You have to know the rules, you have to know the guidelines. Nevada tax deed auction, Clark County, right? Las Vegas. They had that in May of last year in person. State of Washington, Virginia. Now Virginia's different because Virginia, what happens there is in the state of Virginia is when you win, it has to go to court for approval. In Virginia, in the state of Virginia, it has to go to court. California doesn't, you own it right now. So when I tell people this, and I said, can you buy a property in California? I didn't say LA County. I said in California for $10,000. Everybody does not raise their hand because we're too focused on LA County or maybe Riverside County, San Bernardino. You can still buy it there, right? 1,000 Palms. You know what 1,000 Palms is right near Palm Springs. I got a folder out there. I'll show it to you. I bought it for 10,000 bucks. 1,000 Palms. We own the property, and there's another mobile home. It didn't matter. worth 140. Not for 10 grand. You got the folders out here. But what do people think about? Local. And that's the key. Michigan is unique. Michigan will have their auctions online, and then anything that does not sell, they will have a second auction. Okay? We'll have a second auction. Other liens, solar tax liens have what is known as a cloud on title. You won't be able to sell the property until you clear the cloud. You get a tax deed. Okay? You don't get a warranty deed at all. You get a tax deed for the property. How do you clean it? Use a title company. The proper title company, because if you go to your local First American Title, right? Your First American Title, they say, oh, we can't get your title insurance for 3 years. Because you don't go to the right title company. But William knows, the hedge funds know which title company to use. That's what I do. I know which title company that we'll use. They will give you the title insurance right now. Okay? Hire a good real estate attorney.